Sam.
And I'm John.
And together we are the Coastal Kids.
Today we've gone to Moorbrook Lakes to pull off a competition.
It's brother against brother in the battle of the fish. So the rules are simple.
Each one of us has 5 minutes to catch a fish.
If you don't catch a fish within 5 minutes, it's the next man's go.
May the best fisherman win. Rock, paper, scissors, who gets the first cast? So, I'm up first.
Our location today is an amazing coarse fishing place called Moorbrook Lakes. You can get loads of different fish here, such as roach, perch, and carp. And the carp can be up to 20 pounds in weight.
Getting a few bites here, I think I'm going to take the prize.
No! Come on! What is it? What is it? Dang it! What is that?
Very nice. Nice little roach to start the scoring.
No. Oh.
Wow.
Is that another?
Yeah,
Another roach.
that was my second. That's my second.
Finish it.
Fish number 2.
Well,
Yes. I have caught number 3. And it's another roach.
it's stuck.
Oh.
No!
Yeah.
No!
It's a chunky one.
No!
3-1. The comeback's on. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I think this one is a rudd. He is a beast. Number 5. It's a nice, beautiful roach.
Okay.
Watch out.
5-2. It's only a small one, but they all count. Yes! Yeah! Fresh! Fresh! I know. Another nice sized roach here. That takes the scores to 5-3. Scoop them up.
Yes.
Yay! Yeah. 5-4. John shaking in his boots. I told you the comeback was on.
So it's my throw and all to play for.
It's my last go after John's 5 minutes. It's all under pressure. I need to catch 2 fish on my last go. Let's hope I get it.
Draw level.
We're drawing level. No. It's a small one. Yeah. I've still got 2 minutes of fishing time left. Let's see if I can take the lead. That was an epic fishing battle. There was no winners this time. It was a tie, but we'll definitely be back for round 2.
Let's have a look at some other stuff in Moorbrook.
Check out this really cool forest school area. They have a fire pit, benches. Make sure to check out the guy who works here's YouTube channel, Outdoors with Mike. We'll put a link in the description down below.
Here's another one of the many fishing ponds in Moorbrook.
Careful of the honeybees.
This is a really cool thing to see. It is the beehive, and look at all the honeybees.
Hope you enjoyed that episode of Coastal Kids. We'll definitely be back here for more adventures.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
And visit Moorbrook if you're in the Benevena area.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.